You can expect a lot from the 2021 Audi A6. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include power front seats, power trunk closing assist, a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, an outside temperature display, a headlight cleaning system, lane departure warning, and remote keyless entry. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 16 speakers, yielding a symphony-like audio experience. Audi ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Call now to schedule a test drive.